Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love and
Hello
support.
friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I've come up to show you making of this beautifully designed cutwork pattern, and you don't believe this design is so simple, and once watching this video you'll get an idea how to create this type of patterns. So we need to give the rows markings like this, mark the center to create the bud like this, and followed with the petals. It could be of any size, the petals, and further one more line I'd be expanding to create the big blooming rose. Like this we need to give the circle marking. On that mark the petals of 4 to 5 like this. The extension will be made with the veins of curve shape with the leaves. It's a freehand pattern design, so you don't require to give the markings exactly the same. Mark it on the paper so that it will not get difficult for you. Then transform it on the fabric using the carbon paper or any tracing paper. This is how we have to give the extension. And for this designing I'll be using 3 colors of fabric cones, pink, yellow and white. This is to fill in the flower. So using the pink color outliner cone I'll be filling. Also I'll be giving the bordering. And this will take some time to dry. In the meantime I'll be giving the extension using the silver color glitter of Fevicryl brand. It's a silver work pattern, so the extension has to be done with this way. The materials which I am gonna use for this designing is easily available in the fancy or the tailoring material shops, or the links also provided in the description box for your convenience. Now for the filling in the petals, I'll be using yellow and white color, half with the yellow and half with white. And this design you can try on already stitched blouse, giving the markings like how I have detailed in this video. Now to create the cutwork, I'll be using dhoop stick. You can also use the mosquito coil or shouldering iron for this burning. So little by little we need to burn the fabric, and the design has to be elaborated, so concentrate on the design. If you want to try this on already stitched blouses, for the sleeves you have to remove the stitches and fix the small embroidering frame and follow the instructions which I have shown. That way you can recreate your old plain blouse to new designer blouse. These are very extraordinary creative patterns which will really gives nice appeal once you wear it. So try and make it for yourself. Use the contrasted colors which will really elevate the pattern. This is how I'll burn completely the leftover gram, and once completed the blouse would look like this. Isn't it looking so awesome? I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon to receive future notifications.